Hi everyone, Dr. Ilona here with Inspire Smiles. Our stand is to transform the experience of dentistry for our patients, dental teams, and the doctors. We see the world as the world that works for everyone, where for the dental experience to be truly transformed is for it to be transformed for all the parties involved. And the way that we do that is by sharing truth. And one of the ways that we can shine some light upon the truth of things is sharing some things about dental insurance. So dental insurance is not an insurance. There's actually a logical fallacy of equivocation where you take two things that mean something different, use the same word for them, and therefore attribute the same meaning to them. When we say dental insurance, we actually are attributing all the qualities of a medical insurance to something that's not an insurance. Dental insurance came into the practice of dentistry in the 70s. It was utilized as a benefit to just offer some basic preventative care to auto workers within the unions of auto industry. The maximum was set at $1,500. That maximum actually at that time allowed quite a bit of a benefit. It's basically a list of services between the employer and the dental benefit plan to which the dental benefit plan agrees to cover certain things at certain percentages for a limited list of procedures at the lowest usually quality for that procedure. And after the yearly maximum is reached, there is no more benefit. So that benefit actually has not changed in now 50 plus years. Translating $1,500 into today's dollars would create a benefit, be it even as limited as it may be, into possible benefit of about $15,000, which again, it may be limited, but $15,000 could actually be a great benefit to have. So one of the things that occurs is that our patients, they have this wrong expectation of dental benefits being an insurance when it's not, and also expecting everything to be completely covered, like free on the first visit. So the first visit is usually a visit when we do comprehensive exam, also diagnose the conditions and present the optimal plan. When people enter dental practice, especially now after years of the pandemic and the health of the nation really declining, most people who come into dental practices, they do have, for example, just as basic as the periodontal health, some form of periodontal disease. In fact, clinically, we know it's about 60+% of people who come in for their first visit have some form of periodontal disease. So it's not possible for that first visit, like a cleaning that most people think they're getting, for it to be free, because dental conditions need to be treated. They get worse over time. Periodontal disease must be treated. It's a disease process. So having those expectations set to be an insurance first visit to be free creates an expectation that could never be met. And we know that unmet expectations actually lead into the upsets. And that's how we can eliminate that. Second thing is that it is basically just a coupon towards services. And just like any other business that accepts forms of payment, dental practices, they are privately owned businesses. We provide services, which is the dental treatment, that's our service, for which we accept various forms of payments such as cash, check, credit cards, and also this coupon towards services called dental benefit plan. So that is also the best way to think of it. That way the expectation could be more correct and there's less potential for an upset. The third part is that this agreement for the dental benefit contributing towards procedures and things like that, and what those things are, is really an agreement between the employer or whoever bought the dental benefit plan for you. It could be yourself potentially, but it's really rare. Usually it's just something that's provided for by an employer, and the agreement is between, again, who bought the plan and the dental benefit plan, and then that is used as a form of payment for services. So us really spending a lot of time and energy and figuring things out for our patients, we do that out of courtesy. It is not our obligation to figure all that out. In fact, we would expect that the patient would know what their benefits are if they're planning to use them towards services and pay for them. So we do that again as a courtesy. Most dental practices take that upon themselves to help their patients, because we know how confusing it is. In our practice, we want to be of service, to add value to our patients. So this is how we do that. And for the patients to have this expectations of us really figuring it out and us being wrong, it just again creates this expectation that's really, really difficult to meet, almost impossible. Again, results in an upset. So we invite you to just open your mind and just shift your mindset into dental benefits not being an insurance, it being a coupon towards services, and take the responsibility on yourself to figure out what those benefits are. And when we do provide the service of figuring those things out, filing claims and things like that, just appreciate that. And then we could have really an amazing experience together. We are here for you. We stand for your health. We want to provide the highest quality of service, transform the whole experience. And we love and appreciate you and can't wait to see you.